Okay, here's a little extra practice with graphing linear equations. The first one I want you to graph using slope and y-intercept concepts. So you start with this point right here and plot the y-intercept, which is 6. And then just from there, from that point, do rise over run right here. So down 3 over 5. And then from there, make the line. Maybe I'll just try to make a weak line here. Perfectly straight line, of course. Next one. Here I want you to do, I did say slope and y-intercept form for here too. So you need to solve for y. So 10y is negative 5x plus 30, and then divide by 10. So y equals, and then reduce this as much as you can, 1/2 x plus 3. So go up to the 3. And then this is rise over run for the slope. So rise -1. From that point, rise -1, run 2. And connect. They almost look parallel, but they're not. And then for the next ones, this one is kind of the same form as the one above it. But here it says using the intercepts. Well, this is a little different method. Instead of solving for y, you essentially want to make an xy table. And you want to plug in 0 for x, which will be the y-intercept. Oops. And then, well, let's just do that. So if I plug 0 in for x, I get 0 here. 12 times 0 is 0, so that's just gone. So I have negative 10y equals 60. So then y is going to be negative 6 if I divide both sides by negative 10. Now that's the y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, I let the other letter, the y, be 0. So let me erase that. I'll erase all this stuff. And once I plug 0 in for y, then this disappears. 10 times 0 is 0, so it's minus 0. So I just get 12x equals 60. And you won't always get nice numbers like this. You might get decimals, and that's fine. So x is 5. So you just plot those 2 points, 0, negative 6. Make sure you know how to plot those points. And 5, 0. And draw that. Not bad. Perfectly straight line. And then for the last two, there's only x here, only y here. Notice up here there's x's and y's, x's and y's, x's and y's. Here only x, only y, so this is going to be a Hoyer of x situation. So these two situations are going to be horizontal lines and vertical lines. So this one is x equals a number, so it's going to be a vertical line at -7. So just go to -7, go to x equals -7, and draw a vertical line through it. It's that simple. That's lovely. And then for the y value, for y equals -9, plug, this is a Hoy line right here, I guess. So it's a horizontal line because there's no x's in it. So horizontal line at -9. So go to y equals -9, maybe put a dot there and draw a horizontal line through it. Okay, now I forgot to label these. Sure, here it says clearly label all of these. I had different colors here, so I'll just label this is E. This would have been D. What is the red one? B. And then A. And C. Make sure you label those, otherwise you won't get your 5. All right, good luck.